We are one of few countries in the world that deliberately spends less money on poor kids. We spend more money on wealthy kids. I always say the only people who say money doesn't matter are people with lots of money. Money matters. It influences teacher salaries, it influences the quality of facilities, the learning environment, everything. And so the allocation gap drives the opportunity gap. You just think about summer school. Affluent kids are not spending summer watching TV. They're spending summer in enriched learning environments, in summer camp, travel with family. Poor kids don't have that. Those kinds of gaps in learning opportunities reinforce disparities in learning outcomes. Now, poverty undermines many kids and their schools because kids who are poor come with additional needs. Poverty is about more than simply income. It's about lack of housing and housing stability. Kids who are in poverty, particularly intergenerational poverty, often bring with them additional needs and challenges that schools have to respond to. The good news is that poverty is not a learning disability. There's absolutely no evidence that poor kids can't learn. The real issue is how do we compensate for the effects of poverty?